Here's the news of the day. Archer Aviation has surpassed its 2024 goal, completing over 400 test flights ahead of schedule, focusing on key areas like flight transitions and noise optimization. Canadian Advanced Air Mobility, CAAM, has strengthened its leadership by appointing Michael Cardinal and Kristen Blodgett to its national board, enhancing efforts to advance air mobility in Canada. Captain Steve Norris, East Anglian Air Ambulance's longest-serving pilot, is retiring after 18 years and over 3,800 missions, leaving a lasting legacy in HEMS. SPACE certified an additional life raft handle for Airbus H-155 helicopters, enhancing safety for Northern Helicopter by complying with new EASA regulations for emergency water landings. Alpine Aerotech has been selected to support Bell Textron Canada's CH-146 Griffin helicopter update for the Canadian Forces, with the first aircraft arriving in West Kelowna. Brisbane's 2032 Olympics transport plan includes electric air taxis to enhance urban mobility, aiming to create a lasting transport legacy by integrating these with existing networks, focusing on accessibility and innovation. SkyDrive raised $55 million in Series C funding to expand its facilities and prepare for eVTOL mass production. The company also secured 263 pre-orders globally. PAL-V is partnering with Breda International Airport to build an assembly and delivery center for its FlyDrive vehicles, marking a key step toward finalizing certification and customer support. U.S. authorities seized a Falcon 900EX linked to Venezuelan dictator Nicolas Maduro, accused of election fraud and leading a narco regime. The jet was smuggled through a shell company and violated U.S. sanctions. The final Martin Mars aircraft will take its last flight from British Columbia to Arizona's Lake Roosevelt later this year, before being donated to the Pima Air and Space Museum for permanent display. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.